So for years, Gartner and all the pundits have all been saying 70+% of CRM implementations fail to meet expectation. Well, okay, that may be true, but what they don't tell you is it's usually not the technology, it's that the expectations were wrong. And certainly that results in a huge loss of not just money, but also the time and the resources that you put into this. And, for those of us in the firms who are doing marketing and business development and who are sort of in charge of these programs, it can also mean a huge loss of credibility. There are a lot of challenges to CRM success, and even more in our fun little vertical. It's dealing with change management or not dealing with change management. Not having the leaders on board, not understanding the necessary resources or planning the rollout, the communication and the training, not figuring out how important the integrations are, and not focusing on and defining adoption. And a big piece of it is really failure to address the firm's needs up front. CRM can do a lot of things, but it really has to meet the firm's needs and value as your individual unique firm defines them.